Okay, so to start, I'm going to be using this 4mm crochet hook, and I'm going to be use loops and threads, medium weight yarn, which is a size 4 in bright red. So we're going to start with a magic ring. So take the short end of your working yarn and hold it with your thumb and middle finger, and you're going to take your working yarn and wrap it around that short piece, cross over, make sure that this is on top. You're going to take your hook, go through, twist it around, grab your working yarn, so the piece that's attached to your ball of yarn, and you're going to pull it back through this loop. And that is your magic circle. I'll do that one more time. So you're going to hold the short piece of your working yarn between your middle finger and thumb. Take this and wrap it around, making sure it is crossed over. You're going to go under, grab the top, pull through. Make sure when you pull through you twist so it grabs on to your hook. You're going to grab your working yarn again and pull through, and that is your magic circle or ring. Okay, once you have your magic ring or magic circle, if you want to call it that, most times it'll call for single crochet, but whatever kind of stitch you're doing into it. So for a single crochet, you're going to take your hook, put it through the loop under your loop and this tail. So you're going to go under, pull through your working yarn. So you're going to have 2 stitches on your hook. You're going to try and keep this part tight with your middle finger and your thumb. You're going to wrap your working yarn around your hook again and pull through. That is 1 single crochet in your magic circle. So again, you go through the loop, making sure to catch that tail. You're going to pull your working through under, so you have 2 stitches. Wrap your working yarn around again and pull through. That is how you do single crochets into a magic circle.